Hey there, friends. I'm going to be opening Utopia 2 king-size gusset pillows. Alrighty, and we're going to fluff them as well. So it says different options for fluffing them is to put them in the dryer with some tennis balls, in some socks, or tennis shoes and some socks, or to set them out in the sun. We don't have time for that. So it comes in this nice packaging. Pull this little neatly tied knot here. Look at that. Okay. We'll set one off to the side here. Okay, so they come in these little vacuum bags as well. Looks pretty thin. So I wonder if there's a way to open these without damaging it. See here. Doesn't appear to be, so we're just gonna, perhaps we can open it. Might be tough though. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you, scissors. Oh, it's alive. See if I can't not cut the pillow here. It's already starting to come alive here. Ooh. Okay. All right. There we are, my friends. Okay, and it says to fluff the pillow for a couple minutes like this. So that's what we're gonna do, fluff the pillow. Whew, good thing I'm wearing a jacket. Not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fluff the pillow. And then it says it'll take on its shape after a while here. Okay. This jacket's really not necessary now. I'm overheating. It says do this for a few minutes, and then it'll fluff itself up here. So basically, this is what we're doing. Never fluffed a pillow before. It's kind of a good workout, actually. I'm starting to feel it in the shoulders a little bit. Wow, really starting to feel it in the shoulders, actually. I don't know if I can keep that up for very much longer. Man, all right. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I don't know what's it supposed to look like. Something like that. Looks like pretty good shape, I guess. Huh? Alright, I think that is that. That's how to fluff a pillow, and that's the unboxing on the Utopia pillows, and it looks kind of misshapen, but we might have to fluff it some more. Anyways, thanks for watching.